My assistant opens music service but does not play music. Troubleshooting tricks to get these tunes taking part in once more. Google Assistant controls your telephone if you challenge voice commands. It units appointments, sends texts, and performs music from a wide range of apps and streaming companies. If one thing goes incorrect if you ask Google Assistant to play music, there are some straightforward troubleshooting steps to strive. Examine your permissions. One drawback is likely to be along with your permissions. Google Assistant cannot work correctly if it would not have entry to the Google app and different core capabilities. For instance, Google Assistant wants entry to your telephone's microphone to listen to voice instructions. Here is methods to verify permissions in your Android device and ensure Google Assistant has the entry it wants. Open Settings, after which choose Apps and Notifications. When you have an older Android model, chances are you'll want to pick out apps as a substitute. Choose Permissions. You may see a listing of allowed and denied apps and capabilities. Underneath Denied, Faucet Operate, after which Faucet Permit to alter the permission. Repeat this course till you've got given Google permission to entry any apps and capabilities it might want. In some Android variations, you might even see these permissions within the type of toggles. Slide the toggles to the on place to allow the permission. Use the again arrow to return to app permissions. Choose your music app. This instance makes use of YouTube Music. Different suitable music companies embrace Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn, and iHeartRadio. Choose Permissions. Affirm that the music app has storage and microphone permissions. If not, Faucet a denied permission to permit it. Or activate the toggle change for permission if that is how your Android gadget shows this operate. With the brand new permissions enabled, verify if this solved the issue and if Google Assistant can play music. Examine your linked Google account. The issue would possibly stem from mismatched Google accounts. Some music service apps, equivalent to YouTube Music, require your Google Assistant and your music app to be tied to the identical Google account. Here is methods to hyperlink your Google Assistant gadget and music service to the identical Google account. In your Android gadget, launch the Google app, after which choose Extra. Relying in your Google app or Android model, the Extra menu could also be represented by varied symbols, together with Extra, Extra, or Extra. Examine the Google account on the prime of the menu display screen. The music service app have to be linked to the account listed right here. To modify Google accounts, choose the down arrow. Choose the account that you just wish to use with Google Assistant, or Faucet. Add one other account and observe the on-screen prompts so as to add a brand new Google account to your gadget. Now that your Google app is ready to the right account, open the Music app, and Faucet the account or menu icon. In case you aren't logged into the right Google account, choose the down arrow, then choose the right Google account. Repeat this course for every other music service apps you utilize. Set a new default music service. If Google Assistant cannot play music, set a brand new default music service out of your linked companies. Open the Google Assistant app and choose your profile picture within the upper right nook. Underneath All Settings, scroll down and choose Music. Underneath your music companies, choose one other linked music service. See if Google Assistant can play music from this service. Hyperlink a new music account. If Google Assistant nonetheless cannot play music after setting one other service as your default, hyperlink one other music app. Here is methods to hyperlink a brand new music streaming service account to Google Assistant. Open the Google Assistant app, and choose your profile picture within the upper right nook. Underneath All Settings, scroll down and choose Music. Underneath Extra Music Companies, Faucet a music service to hyperlink it to your account. Choose Hyperlink Account, after which check into your account if prompted. You even have the choice of making a brand new account from right here. You have added a brand new music service to your music companies. It is now in choice to pick out because the default Repeat the earlier steps for any further music service you wish to hyperlink. Examine to see if Google Assistant can play music from any of the newly linked companies. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.